Hi and thanks for tuning in. My name's Matt Jones. I'm from Bedford Valeting and Detailing.com, and right now I've got an Audi R8 for you. A juicy Audi R8 which was not looking the way that an Audi R8 should look like. So once we agreed a budget with the customer, we set about 1 day's labour to turn around this vehicle and make it look like an Audi R8 should look like. It wasn't quite as simple as that. It was slightly problematic. You will see later on in the video the issues we had with this car, but it was turned around in a day and you'll see the results for themselves. So the task ahead of me is all there to be seen. The vehicle is showing signs of poor washing with cobwebbing and swirl marks in the paintwork, and the job was to cut those swirl marks out, deepen the gloss and restore a shine to the paintwork, which the customer's going to be happy with. As per usual, the normal process of washing the vehicle down was employed, which started with snow foam. The snow foam was sprayed onto the vehicle, left to dwell and blasted off to remove the vast majority of the dirt on the car. Everyday use means the build-up of metal fallout which embed itself into the paintwork, and the process of removing these is to start off with a bleeding fallout remover, which once it finds that fallout, it reacts, and as you can see, it goes purple. So the R8's all washed down now and we got it inside, and hopefully you might try and pick this up as a noise goes on in the background. Have a listen to this. That is the sound of overspray. I believe that the wheels have been resprayed with them on and the overspray's bounced off and hit the car. So the first job before machining is to try an aggressive clay cloth to get the overspray off, and if that doesn't work I'm going to have to go to with the A3A to try that on roots. So here we go. Our single stage machine polish is now complete and I'm happy with the results. So now that I've restored the paintwork to the standard which I'm looking for, I wipe the panels down with panel wipe, which removes any waxes and oils that potentially can show any damage which is still there, and also prepares the paintwork for a product to bond to the paintwork to ensure you get the longevity out of that specific product. The product I used in this case was Geon Can Coat. It's an SiO2 product which, in terms for the customer, it's going to enhance the gloss and it's going to give extra protection. So the beading on the car will be very, very high, which means the vehicle's going to be easy to wash, and of course it gives hydrophobic properties on the paintwork. It does give protection to the paintwork to help repel swirl marks and cobwebbing from poor washing or any friction that comes in the vehicle. It's never going to stop that, but it's always going to help. So that's it, we're all done. Our Audi R8 is all finished. I'm happy with the car and the customer is very happy with the finish. We've restored, we've enhanced and we've protected. So if this is a service which you're interested in, please go to the website, all the W's, bedfordvaletingandetailing.com, click on the contact form, and I will get back to you to marry up your budget and expectations of your vehicle and hopefully get your car looking like this Audi R8. Do click the subscribe button. There's more videos on our channel. There's examples of work that I've done, and there will be tips of how to do things as well. So if you like that, click subscribe now. Okay, thanks for watching. I'm Matt Jones of bedfordvaletingandetailing.com.